All at 34 points lower for the Sensex, for the Nifty, I beg your pardon, and about a flat start for the Nifty. Now, what is really the talking point? Breadth. I mean, the market breadth has been fantastically strong. The small cap index, it's mustering along very smartly. It's getting a lot of support before auto dispatch numbers. They will kick in for first, but this is last trading day of the week, of the month, and of the year. What a lovely coincidence, year, week and month. And there you go. You've got Nifty Auto, which is off to a good start. You've got Metal Index, which is off to a good start. Not too many newsmakers, but SBI and HDFC, they are two talking points, especially after the Reserve Bank of India, incremental changes which will happen to their ratios. But no market reaction per se. So it's a flat start. I mean, you could say that छुट्टी पे जाने वाले चले गए because the market volumes have already started moving here and there. It really could be a dull day of trade for market per se. Globally nothing has happened, locally nothing has happened. Volumes may be dipping down, even though it is the first day of FNO expiry. The screen is not really vibrant enough to make you believe that the first day of FNO expiry is going to be such a flat start, so to speak.
Yeah, dull is the word to use for the market right now, and it's IT pack which is actually starting on the back foot. So Persistent, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, they're all down in the trading session. Not a great mood that the banks and the NBFCs are in as well. So Muthoot, Bajaj Finance, these are the stocks which are losing out. AU Small Finance Bank, SBI, not doing much at all. You also have energy names which are actually retracing the gains that it had made yesterday. Let's pull up HPCL and see what it's doing. BPCL and IOCL are definitely in the red, but let's track what the other sectors are doing at this point of time. I can only see real estate as one of the packs which is holding up in the green. From the broader markets then, Kalpataru Power definitely deserves mention on account of that 9% gain and coming in on the back of good amount of volumes right now. That large order win is something that has the street excited. Tata Consumer is higher by 2.5%. That effective date of merger of the two companies which has been out is suggesting a 2.5% up move. And N. Chandra also in his New Year letter did talk about how the consumer businesses need to up their brand game, and that's something that should be working well for Tata Group. You also have Hindustan Zinc, Zydus Wellness, Electra Green Tech, RBL Bank. These are some of your other gainers. And Lemon Tree, on account of one of the new franchisee hotels that they've started, is also opening up in the green. On the losing side, Go Colors, India Mart, Gillette, these are some of the names which are perking up for me. And overall, even if I look at the broader market, not a big mover anywhere except maybe a Federal Bank. So overall, very flat start and nothing that really stands out in terms of a big outperformer apart from Kalpataru Power. Everyone's on holiday, Anisha, so maybe. So that's why maybe you're not seeing, too much of a decisive trend, not too much in terms of volume or even on the frontline index. Yeah, it's flat as ever. Everything that I'm looking at, it's not pointing towards any sort of move incrementally on the upside or downside. But good thing is that breadth is pretty supportive. FMCG, auto to a certain extent is what's powering ahead, while energy, IT, PSC taking a back seat. But that being said, it's just a cut of about 0.5%. So Kunal, you're looking at the screen. You're unfortunately here at work on the last trading day of 2023. What is the trade you're punching in?
Well, actually, I'm very fortunate to see the index at 21,700 on a year-ending day.
Yesterday also.
Yeah, but I think
to see the at 21,800.
To see the end of the year at such an emphatic style, I think is something.
Okay, glass half full. Okay.
Absolutely, yes. So in
what's
terms
the
of
trade? Yeah.
opening trade, Lupin is something which looks attractive. The stock yesterday gave a price volume breakout about 1330 levels. So that's a stock which I looked at in the open.
Okay, Lupin it is. That's what Kunal is punching in. Naresh, what's your first trade?
So, continued like endurance technologies that's given a breakout, could see some follow-up move over the next couple of sessions.
Some of the recommendations coming in.